Okay, a lot of you guys have been waiting. It took me a while to figure it out, and I never did figure it out. So I have to do this all on YouTube. This is a DIY outdoor patio furniture. This is episode 1 of a series of videos showing you how I got it done. It's pretty easy. You have to jump over to my YouTube channel in order to see these series because I don't have the ability to add series on TikTok. It's a very inexpensive build, so let's get started. First off, we're going to use just regular pine that you can find at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. And this is not the most ideal furniture making wood. However, there's a process that we're going to send this through that's going to make this is as good and reliable as any other type of woods out there. With that being said, let's get started with the build. Let's start off with the chairs. We're going to make 2 chairs here right off the bat, and we're going to start off with 2x6 instead of 2x4s. We're going to use 4 26-inch 2x6. We're going to use 4 25-inch 2x6 and 4 33 3/4 of an inch 2x6. And to give you an idea of what's going on with that, these middle pieces here are 26 inches. The stiles here are 25 inches, and the rails at the top are 33 3/4 of an inch.